So welcome back, guys, and we are continuing now. We are in the first part where we are going to set the environment. And the good thing about JavaFX, you won't just have to, just setting the environment. It should be so easy because it has been simplified by the Java framework itself. So so to say, JavaFX comes bundled with it comes bundled in Java. And for this tutorial, what going to be using, I'm going to be using Java 8. I'm using Java 8. You can see I've opened their page here, and this is not this is the official Java page. Okay, we need this JDK because JavaFX is bundled inside these classes. So you need to download this first, and I'm going to leave you a link in the description below. And the other thing is, after this, so you can see that let me just highlight this for you. You can see that this is the update that I'm using right here. Okay, this is the update that I'm using right here. Okay, so you can download the JDK for whichever operating system that you are using, and then of course it's going to download into your machine, and you are going to install. After that, we come to the JDK. Okay, we come to the IDE. For me, I use Intellij, guys. I just use Intellij idea, and I just have their product. This is their site. You can just go type in Google Intellij idea, use the first link, go to the download. They give you the of course they give you the community version, and they also contain another version that is for the ultimate version, that is for professionals, whereby you have to buy. Okay, but guys, you can also get all these just by being a student. If you submit a student account in this website, you can be able to actually get the IDE Ultimate and all their solutions for free. They give you a license for free. So I hope you understand that, and I hope you can see this. So the other thing that I'm going to do, there are some people who may decide to use NetBeans. It's also it's also a good idea, but for me I prefer JetBrains, and that is what we are going to be using in this program. So like I said, after you download, of course you are going to install the JDK, and then you are going to install the Intellij idea. Then the good thing about the new Java version, it will sometimes reset itself the environmental variables. Before, in the past, you used to set the environmental variables manually, but for this version it just sets up for you. I know I'm explaining a lot, guys, but I think it is important that I say some of these things. So the other thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Intellij. Okay, and as you can see, I already have a program here. Okay, it's a program that I was making, but I just want to go to settings. I just want to show you the settings, and once you've downloaded the JDK, and you have installed it, and you've made you've also installed your IDE. For Intellij, we need to set the JDK. Okay, so, and I'm going to set the JDK. So guys, I think it's in the project structure, so you just have to come to the project structure and set your JDK here. Otherwise you are going to have a lot of errors. You should point this to the local directory where you install your JDK, all right, so that it can be able to take the JDK where you install the Java. Okay, in that installation folder, of course, you are going to get something like this. This is for the 64-bit, my machine is 64-bit, and so I pointed to the JDK, and that is why we have this here. Okay, so that is simple, I guess. So without further ado, guys, I hope you are good, and you are ready to go to the next level. I hope you've understood what I have said. It is also very important that you set this, especially if you are using you are going to use this you are going to use this you are going to use Intellij. You need to set this. Okay, so anyway guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial. We are going to start with the project structure.